Now, I've seen some homemade videos online that outline how to repair your own battery pack like this one or charger device if it experiences an issue. It is recommended that this is not attempted. Even if the video seems reputable and you feel you have the right skills to do so, it is an extremely high-risk activity and should never be undertaken unless you've been specifically trained to do this. Repairing items like this requires detailed safety tests that you may not have the expertise or equipment to perform. It is also highly likely that you might incorrectly reassemble this pack or charger or inadvertently damage one of the pack cells whilst attempting the amateur repair work. And this can lead to serious chemical burns, toxic gas inhalation, electric shock, or battery fire risks. Take the potential faulted battery pack or charger to your distributor or manufacturer and get them to replace or repair it if there is an issue.